If you've been wondering how to turn off Scareware Blocker in Microsoft Edge, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to find the setting and turn it off in just a few clicks. This can be useful if the feature is getting in the way of your browsing experience, or if you want to manage Edge security settings manually. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Edge settings menu. From here, choose Settings. That will take you to the full browser settings page, where you can control privacy, security, appearance, and more. On the left-hand side, find and click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section contains the main security and browsing protection options for Edge, so this is exactly where we need to be. Once you're inside that menu, scroll down until you find the security section. Depending on your Edge version, you may need to scroll a little further to locate it, but it should be listed under the Privacy and Services settings. Now look for the Scareware Blocker option. You should see a toggle switch next to it. To turn it off, simply click the toggle so it switches from on to off. When the setting is disabled, Edge will no longer use Scareware Blocker while you browse. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Scareware Blocker in Microsoft Edge. If you ever want to turn it back on later, just follow the same steps and switch the toggle back on. Quick reminder, if this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.